Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video tutorial, I want to continue to from my before video, the last video before this video is upload. And this video, I want to make the tutorial how to configure AGRP authentication, and this is the simple version of the AGRP authentication. And in this video, I will use the authenticate MD5 authentication, and this is a security feature that makes sure your routers is only accept routing updates from trusted routers that you control. Okay, and for make it faster, let's go to the tutorial. First, um, open your virtual machine. For example, I use VMware Workstation, and the machine is I use from the EVNG. And after you open your virtual machine, you can access this IP from your virtual machine or from your EVNG or PNet Lab. For example, this my IP is 192.168.187 and 128. And after that, if you already log in or you already got enter the lab of the virtual machine, you can add the three routers. If you doesn't add the iOS image of the router, you can add first. So and before, in the last video, we already make the basic configuration of AGRP. So you must watch the last video before this video. So before you configure the AGRP authentication in this video. Okay, so in the last video we already configure the basic configuration of AGRP, and uh, after you config the basic configuration, you can open again the routers, router 1, router 2, and the router 3, and then you can enter. So the first step is you can enter the global configuration mode first. For example, I will start from the router 1, so you can type enable configure terminal or conft, and you can create a keychain. The keychain, this will hold your password, and for example, and for step is keychain, and for example is agrp underscore keys, and create a key. For example, this is key 1, and set the password or the key string, and this is the secret password that must be exactly the same on both routers. For example, key string uh, active 123, and this not important, the password is case sensitive, so the uppercase and the letter case, um, or your caps lock or no is different. So for example, active like this 123 is different from the key, the password before I add. So the password is must same the important. So, and you can exit from the configuration, and you can enter the interface that connect the router. For example, the router 1 and the router 2, the interface is Ethernet 0/0 and 0/0. So we can enter to the interface Ethernet 0/0, and you can type IP authentication mode AGRP 100, and the authentication type is MD5. So and you can type again IP authentication keychain or your password AGRP 100 AGRP underscore keys. Or if we before is using the AGRP 10, so you can use the AGRP 10. Okay, because before I use AGRP 10, so I will delete the AGRP 100 and change to AGRP 10. So after that you can finish and save on the router 1. So the configuration on the router 1 is already done. So you can save is do write memory or copy running config startup config. Sorry. You can exit first and you can type this copy running config startup config. Okay, and next you can configure to the router 2. First you can enter the global configuration mode first, enable and configure terminal, and then same like the router 1, you can make the keychain, create the keychain with the same password with the router 1. So you can type keychain AGRP underscore keys, and you can type key 1 and key string. You can add the same password with the router 1 and active 123 and exit again. So the note is the password is must be identical with the router 1. And then same like the router 1, you can apply the authentication to the interface. So the router 2 is have two interface that connected. So the router 1 is the Ethernet 0/0, the router 3 is Ethernet 0/1. So you can enter the interface 0/0. So you can type IP authentication mode AGRP 100 and MD5. Sorry, maybe it's model AGRP 10 MD5. Okay. And then you can add again the IP authentication keychain AGRP 10. The 10 is the AS number or autonomous system number, is AGRP underscore keys. So and you can finish and save. You can type and copy running config startup config, or you can type write memory. In this in this tutorial we will use only two routers only for authentication. So and the after that we can try to verify that your authentication is already successful to configure or no. Okay, for the check is you can check, you can type show IP AGRP NIC NICWAR NICWARS, and uh, show if it's working. You will see the other router in the list, and you can show IP AGRP interface detail, and this you can see the authentication mode is MD5, keychain is AGRP. Wait, show IP AGRP interface detail. And if the if your configuration is uh, correct, you can see this. You can see in the interface, you can see this. Authentication mode is MD5 and keychain is AGRP keys. It means your AGRP network is now more secure, or the meaning is your configuration of AGRP authentication is successful. Okay, maybe that's all I could tell you for the time being. Sorry if I have many mistakes, and um, so, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.